I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen.
Hello everyone, today we are going to open alcatel1T 7. It's a tablet 7-inch with 1 GB RAM and 16 GB memory. We just received it today, so I just want to check here the specs. It's 7-inch, it has Wi-Fi. The CPU is quad-core. Camera is 2 megapixel. Front camera is VGA. Memory is 16 gigabytes and 1 gigabyte RAM. Battery is 2580 mAh. Android Oreo Go edition. Okay, let's see what is inside. We'll open the seals also. Okay, the unit is here. It's black. It looks nice. It's good quality. I guess there is here is for external memory card. Okay. They have here USB charger cable. Let me open it. I guess there's nothing else. These are as usual things. It's for guarantee and user manual. Nothing else here. We can just test it if it has some battery. I'm not sure. I'm pressing right now. There's nothing coming. It's already opening. Okay. Okay. Here there's also a charger. Alcatel. I thought it's just a wire. So that's nice. Okay. You can. Did you stop already? You can. And that's enough. But it needs to reset up. That will take time.
No need to set up, just show if how is the screen, if it's how responsive it is.
Well, the screen looks very bright. I guess we need to adjust it on the settings. Set up as new, fresh start, connect to Wi-Fi. It's going to searching for our Wi-Fi connection.
Is it handy?
Very handy. And very responding screen. Okay, already connected. Checking for updates. It's really smooth.
Nice.
Actually, I already able to test this one in Watan computer shop. I really liked it. I hope this is also same. As I can see here, it has 4 cores and 245 grams. It has Android and kids lock. There's a kids lock here. Don't know what is it exactly. When we already set up it, we can check all the specs. Here it has also connecting, you can connect memory card or SIM card, I'm not sure. I guess in manual it's writing.
Memory card, I think.
Okay. We need to
Okay.
set it.
Okay, so that's all.
Yeah.
Thank you for the review, for the unboxing.